Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Money Card. First, activate your card online or by phone as soon as you receive it. Next, load funds onto your card. You can do this at any Walmart store through direct deposit from your employer or by linking a bank account. Finally, set up your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, which is essential for secure purchases and ATM access. These initial steps ensure your card is ready for use. Using your Walmart Money Card for purchases is straightforward. You can use it anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, both in stores and online. When shopping in person, simply swipe or insert your card, select Debit, and enter your 4-digit PIN. For online shopping, input your card number, expiration date, and security code at the checkout. Remember, using your PIN adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, protecting your funds. Managing your Walmart Money Card is simple and convenient. You can easily check your current balance and review your transaction history anytime through the Walmart Money Card website or mobile app. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of low balances or significant purchases, helping you stay on top of your spending. Additionally, you can pay bills online by providing your card's routing and account numbers, just like a traditional bank account, offering great flexibility. Your Walmart Money Card comes with several valuable benefits. You can earn 1% cashback rewards on eligible purchases made at Walmart stores and online. Plus, enjoy free ATM withdrawals at over 37,000 MoneyPass locations nationwide, saving you fees. For added security, with eligible direct deposits, you can access overdraft protection of up to $200. These features make your money card a powerful tool for managing your everyday finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.